Hello everyone. Today we are going to design a base machine which consists of set of register, main memory and a fetch sequence for an instruction cycle. This is when we start a CPUSim simulator, then this is a default machine Wombat 1 which is loaded. So we will first of all close it and then we will create our own machine. So file, click on new machine, then we again click on file and save machine as. So we give name to this machine as base machine dot cpu. So now we have to create a set of registers. For that we click on modify hardware modules, then registers, then we have first register is program counter pc, consists of 12 bits because it contains address. The next register AC. AC stands for accumulator which consists of 16 bits. Then AR. AR is an address register which again consists of 12 bits. Then DR. DR is data register which consists of 16 bits. Then we have IR instruction register which is again 16 bits. Then we have three status registers, E for carry, single bit, then status register, this is again single bit, then again we have I which is used to define direct or indirect address. So we have created all the registers. Click on OK. If we want to see the register we have created, then we'll click on view and registers. So here we can see that AC 16 bit, AR 12, DR 16, EI1, instruction register 16, PC 12 and status register 1. So these are in total 8 registers. Now we have to create RAM, that is main memory. So click on modify hardware modules, then instead of register we will select RAM. We create a new RAM. The name is main, length is 4096 and the cell size is 16. So we have created RAM. Then we have to create a condition bit also. In condition bit we create an halt bit. Halt, 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 halt bit. Then it is on status register. Then value is 0 and just a minute. Then we have to create one more register. This is uh, end carry bit, carry bit. This is on E and halt. We'll check it. Done. Okay. So we have created RAM also. We can see from here. This is my RAM. We can select it as hexadecimal value. Here also we can select hexadecimal or binary value. So we have selected hexadecimal. Then we will create a fetch sequence. Let me explain first the fetch sequence. So this is the fetch sequence which consists of these instructions. Initially the address of the instruction is in PC register, that we transfer to AR. Then from main memory we transfer the instruction to IR register and then increase the program counter. Then we take address from instruction register which is located from 4 to 15, because here the instruction leftmost bit is 0 to 15. So the address is at place 4 to 15 and the initial 0th bit define I, and then we decode. So now we'll implement uh, this fetch sequence. So now again we will click on modify, click on micro instructions, and then we will select transfer R to R. Transfer R to R. Then first of all we have to move AR PC to AR. So my source is PC. Source start bit is 0, AC, no, it is AR. Destination start bit is 0 and number of bits is 12 because both are address registers. Then next is AR, IR, 4 to 15. Instruction register is source. Start bit location is 4. Destination is AR. Destination start bit 0 and this is again 12. Then one more instruction for I, IR, 0th bit we are transferring. Then this is source is IR. Source start bit 0. Target is I. Destination is I. Destination bit is 0 and number of bits is 1. So these are register to register instruction. Then we have to define memory access instruction. Memory access. Then click on new. Then IR main AR. Read memory main data IR. Address AR. ठीक है, done. Memory access instruction is done. The next is increment for program counter. Increment. So we give, you can give any name, PC, PC plus 1 or increment PC or any other name which you want to give. I am writing it as increment PC. So the register is PC and then we are done. And then one more last is decode. Decode. New. So this is decode IR and the register is again IR. Set condition bit, halt, halt, value 1. Then one more, and carry bit value is 0. So we are done with all the registers. Now we have to arrange the fetch sequence in a correct order. So we again click on fetch sequence here. So now we have to arrange in the correct order. So first instruction is ARPC. We insert it here, ARPC. Then memory access, IR, main AR. Arrange them in a correct order also simultaneously. Then increment PC. So it is here. Increment PC. Then IR to AR 4 to 15. Then this instruction and then decode IR. It is in decode operation. Decode. So this is my correct fetch cycle. So we have created all the registers, memory and fetch sequence. Now one more thing we have to define, because an instruction consists of three things. One is opcode, second is address and third is registers. Either it contains an address or it is a part of a register. So if we again click on modify, then we click on machine instructions and then we click on edit fields. So in edit fields we have to create three fields which is common for all the instructions. So first is opcode, required number of bits is 4. Second, address, number of bits 12. And third is register, number of bits 16. So we are done with this step also. So this is done. We have created our base machine which consists of registers, RAM and a fetch sequence. Thank you. In the next video, we will see run, how to write a initial basic program to read an input and display the same as an output. Thank you, friends.